How to view a picture size, resolution, and other meta tags on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Photos app. Then in here, we go back to our library. From the picture library, simply open up a picture. So for example, this one right here. To view information about an image, such as size and resolution, tap on the information button. In here, you'll be able to view the image picture size, the resolution, and other meta tags, such as the ISO, the camera lens, the shutter speed, and the depth. So the depth of field is 1.78. And that's it. So that is how you can view an image details. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.